Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Excel spreadsheets often handle substantial datasets, making formulas and functions invaluable tools for automating calculations, extracting insights, and analyzing information efficiently. In this video, I will categorize and recommend 5 groups of Excel formulas and functions to help you understand how to use each one effectively. Let's go! Excel provides a variety of mathematical and statistical functions to perform a wide range of calculations on numerical data in spreadsheets. For basic arithmetic, the sum function efficiently adds up values within a specified range. To multiply numbers or entire cell ranges, you can use the product function. On the other hand, calculating the average of a dataset is simplified with the average function. If you need exponential calculations, the power function allows you to raise a number to a specified exponent. Note that the first argument in the function represents the base number, while the second specifies the exponent. Finally, the count function determines the number of numeric cells within a range, excluding non-numeric entries such as text, logical values, and errors. The next group are Excel string functions to help you manipulate and analyze textual data within cells. First on the list is the text function, which provides control over number formatting as text. While concat efficiently joins multiple text strings or cell contents into a single string. If necessary, you can also insert delimiters to separate the combined components. The find function in Excel determines the starting position of a specific text within another text string. It uses the syntax find text within text, start num, where find text is the text you're searching for, within text is where you're searching, and start num is the optional starting character position for the search. Note that find is case sensitive, meaning it differentiates between uppercase and lowercase letters. For replacing specific text within a string, you can use the syntax substitute, parentheses, text old, text new, text instance num. Here, text refers to the original string, old text is the text to be replaced, new text is the replacement text, and instance num specifies which occurrence of old text to replace. If instance num is omitted, all occurrences are replaced. Additionally, the trim function ensures clean text by removing unnecessary spaces from the beginning, end, and within the string, preserving single spaces between words. For time-based data, Excel also offers various functions you can work with. To dynamically insert the current date into your spreadsheet, enter the Today function, which automatically updates whenever the worksheet is recalculated. In case you require both date and time, the Now function provides a combined timestamp. To calculate the duration between two dates in terms of years, months, and days, enter the dateIf function, specifying the start date, end date, and desired unit of measurement respectively. Moreover, Excel also offers logical functions to introduce decision-making capabilities into your spreadsheets. The if function allows you to evaluate conditions and return different values based on specified criteria. For more in-depth explanation of if function, consider watching the linked video by clicking the tag in the top right corner. You can also find the link in the description below. To access multiple conditions simultaneously, the AND function returns true only if all specified conditions are met. The OR function evaluates to true if at least one condition is satisfied, while the NOT function inverts a logical value, providing flexibility in complex conditional statements. Finally, you can also use a set of Excel lookup functions to efficiently retrieve and extract data based on specific criteria. VLOOKUP is a function that searches for a specified value within the leftmost column of a data range and returns a corresponding value from the same row in a designated column. Follow the syntax VLOOKUP, lookup value, table array, call index num, range lookup, where lookup value is what you're trying to find, table array is the source data, and call index num refers to the table array from which you want to return a value. For the last argument, specify true for an approximate match, or false if you need an exact match. Meanwhile, hyperlink function creates a clickable link that opens a specified location, which can be a website, a document, an email address, or another part of the same Excel spreadsheet. The first parameter should be the required address of the link, and the last is an optional text you want to display in the cell.
That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.